What's up? My name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix whenever you're stuck in a menu, i.e. the menu opens, you're interacting with it, or it opens and instantly closes again, and you're somehow stuck in a state where you're supposed to be interacting with the menu, but you can't because it's, well, not on your screen. How exactly do you fix this? Well, the absolute simplest way is hitting Escape, heading across to Game menu at the top, and clicking Unstuck. Upon doing so, you should be teleported a couple of meters away, where you'll be able to reopen the menu and start working as per usual. The other fixes that I've heard of that can work for this is simply talking to someone else nearby and getting them to trade with you. That way, it'll open up a window on top of the window that's supposed to be open, allowing you to exit and fix your screen once again. Unfortunately, there isn't a reload UI yet, which is really what this game needs. Escape options unstuck is good, but you really need escape options, reload UI, or just /reload UI and chat. That's really what this game needs. But besides that, that's basically it for this video. Nice and quick tip. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!